Welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Peter, and today let's look at days of the week. Days of the week in Luganda. Let's look at days of the week in Luganda. I've received many emails, text messages on WhatsApp, people asking me that they need to know these days in real Luganda. I remember I had a video talking about these days, but some people told me they did not get them clearly. They were like, Peter, you should have video about the days of the week, but again, we did not get them clearly. Could you please do us another video talking about these days of the week in real Luganda? Because in Luganda, there is a simple way we say these days in Luganda. Like on Monday, we call it on Balaza, but Balaza, that is not Luganda. Tuesday, we call it Olwokubiri, because it is the second day of the week in Luganda, in Buganda way of counting days. And Wednesday, because it is the Saturday, we call it Olwokusatu, Thursday Olwokuna, like that. But that's not the real names of those days. Just like Englishmen, they named these days according to what they used to believe in. As you know, these people from Greece, England, everywhere, those white people name things according to what they see or to what happened. For example, on Monday, they named that day in line with the moon, and it was a moon day. Or Sunday, it was a Sunday. Thursday, actually, these days has same lining of naming. For example, Thursday. Thursday in English, it is a day for thunder, that god of thunder and hammer. If you had a chance to watch that movie of Thor and everything, that thunder comes from thunder. And in Luganda or Buganda, Thursday, it is Olwokuna. In the real name, we call it Chiwanuka. And Chiwanuka relates with heaven. That sound you hear when it is raining, that sound, that thunder comes, and we call that sound Chiwanuka. That is Lubale in Luganda. So these people also named those days according to their Lubale, as we also did here in Buganda. Like we're going to see how, like we're going to see days and their names correctly. Just like I told you, Saturday got its name from the planet Saturn. So these people, when they came out across something, they used to give it to a thing or to attach it to a thing where they could easily remember it. Okay, so literally, even that's the same way in Buganda. We used to name these days, we used to name the month, we used to name years, we used to name seasons. Now let's jump into days. For example, Monday. Monday, it's called Kazoba. Kazoba. We will come into details to know what is Kazoba, why was it given that name Kazoba, why Monday was called Kazoba, not Wednesday that it was called Kazoba. So we'll come into that, we break them down and we see. But Monday is called Kazoba. That is Monday, Kazoba. Tuesday is Walumbe, the second day in Buganda. The second day of the week, it is Tuesday, and that is Walumbe. That is Walumbe, the second day of the week, and that is Tuesday. And Wednesday is Mukasa. Wednesday is Mukasa. Mukasa, that Rubale is relating with the lake, with waters and everything. Those people who are dealing in fishing, dealing in water things, water bodies, that is where they belong to. Mukasa w'ennyanja, Mukasa of a lake or lakes. Just like I told you, Thursday is Mukasa. Mukasa, and Mukasa connects with rains. A rainbow is called Mosoke in Luganda. Mukasa is all about thunder, rains, everything, protection, and all that. And that is Mukasa. And that day is Thursday. That is Thursday. Now, Friday is Nagaonye. Friday is Nagaonye. That is the fifth day of the week, is Nagaonye. Saturday is wamunye. Saturday is wamunye. So those are the days of the week. Saturday is wamunye. And then Sunday is wangu. Wangu is Sunday. So now, like I told you, Monday is kazoba. Tuesday is walumbe. You know, Tuesday is walumbe. Wednesday is mukasa. Wednesday is mukasa. Thursday is chiwanuka. Thursday is chiwanuka. Then Friday is nagawonye. Nagawonye, that is Friday. Then Saturday is wamunye. That is Saturday. Sunday is wangu. I told you Monday is kazoba. Tuesday is walumbe. Wednesday is mukasa. Thursday is chiwanuka. Friday is nagawonye. Saturday is wamunye. And then Sunday is wangu. So now I'm going to come next time teaching you month. Like January is Gatonya, December is Intenvo, you know, May is Muzigo, like that. So that you can speak good Luganda. Like you say, you'll be like, Nenda kujayo kurwa wangu. Dear person, you understand that you're coming there on Sunday. Kandame, like kaziyo kurwa chiwanuka. I'm coming on Thursday. You see how sweet it is? Nenda kujayo kurwa chiwanuka. Kuna kurwa chiwanuka. There you meaning Thursday. Kaziyo kurwa walumbe. That is when Tuesday. So you see, the problem we have here, people think that when you speak such Luganda or when you say these words, you are local, you know, there is that mindset we have, that understanding your language, understanding Girucholi, understanding Rugwara, understanding Girunyankore. Leave alone that Banyankore, they are proud of their language because they are the one in power currently. Even Bachori had that before when Obote was taking over. But someone feeling proud of speaking his or her language, you know, like in Musoga speaking in Lusoga, it's another thing, you know. Sponsored by Catherine Home and Interiors. Those people, they know how to design your house, room, offices, and restaurant. They have curtains, doormats, carpets, towels, everything I can think of. So next time, I'll be coming teaching you month. Ciao, ciao.